In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can join the Fishit Discord server. All you need to do is load up Discord, and then you will click on the plus sign here from the left hand side, add a server, and then you will choose join a server here at the bottom. Now, in order to join the server, you have to type this 3DRCRJ capital AREU3 like this, and you will click on join server. Now give it some time, and as you can see, we have just joined the Fishit server, and before we can actually post and see everything, we will need to get verified. So you will need to choose your row here with rover, update my rows, and you will need to verify your account. And once you do this, you will be able to access the entire Fishit Discord server. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.